Hello students, today we will discuss about chemical formula of chemical compounds, right? So students, how do we write the chemical formula of chemical compounds? For writing the chemical formulae of chemical compound, firstly we will discuss about ions, right? An atom or group of atoms having positive or negative charge is known as ions. For example, Na plus 1, K plus 1, Cl minus 1, Ca plus 2, O minus 2, etc. Na capital N and small a. This is the symbol of sodium atom. But here, this sodium atom having plus 1 charge, so we can say that this is ion. Similarly, K is the symbol of potassium, capital K is the symbol of potassium and having charge plus 1, so this is also ions. And Cl means chlorine, this is the symbol of chlorine and having 1 negative charge, so it is ions, right? Ca plus 2 is also ions. Ca is the symbol of calcium and having plus 2 charge, so it is calcium ions, right? Similarly, O minus 2, O is the symbol of oxygen and having charge is minus 2, so this is ions of oxygen, right, etc. These are the ions. So students, atom or group of atoms having positive or negative charges, it is ions, right? And second thing is types of ions. There are two types of ions, cation and anion, right? Cation having positive charge is known as cations. For example, Na plus 1 charge, K plus 1 charge, Ca plus 2 charge, Al plus 3, etc. Right students? These are the positive charges. So we can say that these are the cations. And second term is group of atoms. Group of atoms, two or more than different two atoms having positive charge is known as group of atoms, and that group of atoms having positive or negative charge, it is also ions, right students? For example, ammonium ion, here N is one atom, hydrogen is second atom, but here total atom of hydrogen is 4, so these atoms combine to each other with chemically bond, then this is the group of atoms and having plus 1 charge, so this is the ammonium ion, right? And second, anion having negative charge is known as anion, right? For example, chlorine atom and having minus 1 charge, so this is the anion. S minus 2, S is the symbol of sulfur, so having minus 2 charge, so this is the anion, right? So students, these are the negative charges, so we can say that these are the anion. I hope you understood types of anions. There are two types anions, all the atoms having positive charge, so these are the cation. All the atoms having negative charges, so these are the anion, right? And here this this is also group of atoms and having negative 3 charges, so this is also anion, right students? So main topic is how do we write the chemical formula of chemical compounds, right students? I will explain with the help of example. Suppose that, example first, suppose that write the chemical formula of chemical formula of hydrogen chloride, right? Chemical formula of hydrogen chloride. So student, firstly you remember that symbol of hydrogen and symbol of hydrogen is capital H. And next chloride comes from chlorine, so symbol of chloride or chlorine is Cl, capital C and small l, right? And this hydrogen atom having +1 charge, right? And this chlorine atoms having -1 charge, right? If positive or negative charges having that atom, so these are the ions. This is cations and this is anion, right? So here hydrogen having +1 charge and chlorine -1 charge, and this charge cross to each other means this one charge is come to hydrogen and this one charge +1 charge transfer to chlorine, right? So we can write H and this one comes to hydrogen 1 and this one transfer to chlorine Cl1, right? Those charges, these charges are same but sign is different, so you can write crisscross method. This is the crisscross method, right? This is the transfer to each other, so we can write H1 and Cl1, so this is the HCl. No need write 1 and 1. If these are different in magnitude, so you can mention there, right students? So this is the hydrogen chloride. This is the chemical formula of hydrogen chloride, right student? And next example, sodium sulfate. Firstly you remember that symbol of sodium, so symbol of sodium Na, right? And symbol of sulfate, this is the group of atoms SO4 groups of atom, sulfur is one atom and oxygen is second atom. Total atoms is 5 and 1 5, right students? And sodium atoms having +1 charge and sulfate having -2 charge. This -2 charge transfer to Na and this +1 charge transfer to SO4, right students? So we can write next step is Na and this 2 transfer to Na, so we can write 2 SO4 as it is, and this +1 transferred to sulfate, this is 1. No need write to 1, so this is the Na2SO4 and this is the chemical formula of sodium sulfate, right students? Then students, if you write the chemical formula of any chemical compound, firstly you remember the symbol of any atoms and that any atoms having the different charges means positive or negative charges, right students? Okay students, these are the some common positive ions or cations. Cation means having positive charges These are monovalent, bivalent, trivalent. Monovalent means having plus one charge. Having plus one charge, these are the monovalents. Having plus two charge, having plus two charge, these are the bivalent. Having plus three charges, this is the trivalent. So student, firstly if you write the if you write the chemical formula of chemical compounds, you remember these common positive ions, and second these common negative ions, right student? So student, firstly you remember this and then write the chemical formula of chemical compound, and I will give you some questions according to this explanation, and you write the chemical formula of different chemical compound, right students? So next my question is, write the chemical formula of chemical compounds, right? First chemical compounds, ammonium sulfate, and second calcium chloride, and third hydrogen sulfate, next sodium nitrate, and last is potassium cyanide. So student, these are the 5 questions. You write the chemical formula of different chemical compounds according to the explanation. Thank you so much.